Go ahead.
Oh, what?
Oh, you dropped it. Pick it up again.
I picked this one.
All right, let's throw this one. Good throw. You hit the log. All right, you want to keep walking with the doggies?
No, not yet. Where are we going now?
Well, we're here to walk with the doggies. It's a nice, beautiful day. Let's go walk with the doggies, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Let's get untangled. Hiya, hiya, hiya. All right, let's walk. Let's walk.
Where are we going now?
We're walking. We're gonna walk with the two doggies. Get a little exercise. Enjoy the beautiful weather. You want to see the what? The pond.
Yep.
Well, this river right next to us, we can look at the entire time. That's a nice, beautiful river that we can look at while we walk. Yeah?
And now we're gonna do now?
Yeah? You want to practice our numbers?
Yep.
All right, what's our first number?
1.
All right. And then we go 2. Then you go
3.
4. Then your turn. 4. Your turn is 5. Say 5.
5.
6.
6.
Your turn 7.
7.
Then we have 8.
8.
We have 9.
9.
And what's the last one?
10.
10. Good job.